He's ready to go. He's got another one on. He's got all that algae to track it into, but he's got one. Is that a bluegill?
Is it tilapia?
It's a bluegill, I think. Or a small bass. Oh yeah, that's a bluegill. That's a monster. Bro, don't. Well, I just set my pole down.
All right, bluegill, let's see if you're not.
Oh my gosh. That fish came all the way out of the water for it and he missed it.
Bluegill, let's see if you're not.
Well, I watched the footage back, you guys. That was a crazy blow up. I really wish that fish would have taken my frog. Oh yeah. Don't know how good he is. Hit my camera though with that hook set, but I don't think he's a big one. Do I have him? Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, he's not bad. Not bad at all. He flopped off the frog. Another nice fish. Before I go on anymore, you guys, I just want you to see how beat up this frog is from how many I've caught on this thing. I mean, that thing has some battle scars, to say the least.